ever.
Mark calendars for Saturday, August 12th from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. It's going to be a jam-packed day full of mind-boggling adventures.
Feeling the summer heat? Yeah! Well, don't you worry. We've got you covered. Stay cool and satisfy your taste buds with our most refreshing treats.
As soon as you step through our magical gates, get ready to move and groove to the beats of live music that'll have you dancing with delight.
And that's the tip of the iceberg. We got games, surprises, fun, and more stuff around the corner.
Hold on to your hats because there's more. Get ready to be amazed by an awe-inspiring flying drone presentation from our Girls Take Flight program that'll leave you in awe of the future.
And hey, space explorers, don't miss your chance on building your own rocket and watch it fly high in the sky. This experience is truly out of this world.
Calling all animal lovers who are bringing the zoo to you. Pet and play with adorable zoo animals and let the cuteness overload begin.
So bring your families, invite your friends, and join the community for a day of endless excitement at the Elementary Institute of Science. Let's make memories that'll last forever and unlock the magic of science together. See you Saturday, August 12th at 10 a.m.